So much like you guys, I'm sure do. I kind of lurk in a couple Facebook groups for different motorcycle things. One or two for the Honda Shadow, one for the Meat Streak, one for the little Blue Vader Grom clone, and one of them I was hanging out in for a little bit was basically for like new beginner riders. And I was like, I got some experience. Maybe some of my experience will help some of these guys. And if you guys aren't familiar with these little beginner groups, I would say little. It's got a lot of people in it. They talk a lot about gear, what you should wear, what you shouldn't wear. Or somebody will post a picture. I just got my bike and they're sitting on it. And like, don't worry, guys. I'm just posing on the bike. I got full gear for riding around. Or even then, someone will post a picture like they like wearing a half helmet. Don't worry, guys. I got a jacket. Nothing nitpicked his helmet choice. So if the dude wants to wear a half helmet, let the dude wear a half helmet. Oh, that's just a bucket for your brains to be in for the paramedics to scoop it up together or something. You gotta wear a full face helmet. You gotta have riding pants. You gotta wrap yourself in bubble wrap before you leave the house. It's like, come on. You got grown adults in these groups telling other grown adults what they should do. And you're like, Lucky Aces, aren't you doing that right now? It's like, calm down, calm down. This will make sense in a moment. I'm not wearing a jacket either. But basically, I'm wearing a mesh shirt that's got a freaking goofy Hawaiian shirt over it, which is my favorite motorcycle shirt. I love wearing this thing because it means people are looking at me. Plus, it matches my helmet. I think I look pretty dapper. You know what I'm saying? One thing I don't skip on though is my helmet, and I got a back protector in this mesh shirt. I kind of want to protect my spine, man. I don't want something to happen and then not be able to. I don't want to get stuck in a chair, dude. Be a burden on anybody else. Nah, screw that. I definitely always wear a helmet for a couple reasons. One, because that is the state law here in North Carolina, and two, I want to protect the freaking face. I'm trying to score me a cute father girlfriend, you know what I'm saying? But I'm being realistic about it. I'm not talking about like your freaking fake name fashion models. I'm talking about the chick that's in the ad for the grocery store. That's Debbie. She works in produce. What's up, girl? Nice melons. Yeah, I don't really know how to flirt. And I know a lot of people recommending full gear. They're just trying to be helpful. They're trying to look out for beginner riders because they were a beginner rider and they remember what it's like. I remember what it's like being a beginner rider. I used to dress up like freak Power Ranger because I got some riding experience and I feel confident. And I know anything could happen at any time. Freaking the earth could open up in front of me and bam, I'm falling all the way to, I don't even know what's on the other side of this place. China, maybe? I don't know. And I'll admit it, the longer I've been riding, the less gear I kind of wear. Like I don't really wear my big jacket anymore. I usually run a leather vest when it's not a million degrees outside. That's got a back protector in it. I do that for the abrasion resistance and for the impact on my spine. But this is too dang hot, hence the mesh shirt. But that's because that's what I feel comfortable wearing. That's what I want to wear. I'm willing to sacrifice a bit of safety for that bit of comfort. Personal choice. That's the whole thing. Personal choice. Be clear what you want to wear when you ride. I definitely not recommend wearing thong bikinis and stuff. That's like you're a dude. Nobody wants to see that. Of course, I don't know. If you wearing like a bikini is going to help you get better views, I might have to do it. I see all these, busty ladies riding around, freaking their boobies hanging out, getting all kinds of clicks. I know it's a little different. And it's mainly just because mine aren't as big, but, at least they're real. But if you came here for a gear recommendation from your buddy Lucky Aces, I'll go ahead and tell you this right now. Buy the best stuff you can afford. If you're starting out, definitely consider a jacket for sure. Boots, gloves, riding pants. You could probably pick them up later. I ride just basically Wrangler jeans. Like I said, I'm willing to accept the risk. But I'm not really your dad. I'm just a guy who talks about motorcycles on the internet. But at the end of the day, it's going to be up to you to make the decision. I would just suggest doing as much research as you possibly can. It's all about your personal choice, which I kind of talked about in this video here. Always y'all be good. See ya.